Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Did you know that you convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation? Let's do this step by step, so you can follow along and create an awesome presentation by the end. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, first things first, open your Word document. To make this process easier, let's start by selecting the entire document and applying the heading tube style. This way, everything is formatted as subpoints to start with. Now, let's identify our main slide titles. Go through the document, highlight the titles you want as slide titles, and apply the heading 1 style. This will help PowerPoint know how to structure your slides. Next, we're going to add a handy feature to our Quick Access toolbar. Click on the small drop-down arrow at the end of the Quick Access toolbar, located at the top left corner of Word. Select More Commands from the drop-down menu. In the Word Options dialog box, go to the Quick Access Toolbar section. From the Choose Commands from drop-down menu, select All Commands. Scroll through the list of commands until you find Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it and click the Add button to move it to the Quick Access toolbar. Click OK to save the changes and close the Word Options dialog box. Now, with our well-structured Word document ready, click on that Send to Microsoft PowerPoint button in your Quick Access toolbar. Watch as your document transforms into a PowerPoint presentation, with each heading 1 becoming a new slide title and each heading 2 becoming bullet points on that slide. Exciting, right? Let's add some flair to our presentation. In PowerPoint, go to the Design tab. Choose a theme from the available options. This will give our presentation a polished and professional look. Go through each slide, make any necessary adjustments to the formatting, add images, and ensure everything looks perfect. To make our presentation more engaging, we're going to add some transition effects. Go to the Transitions tab, select a transition effect you like, and click Apply to All if you want the same effect throughout the presentation. Finally, let's preview our PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Slideshow tab and select From Beginning to see how our presentation flows. This is where we can see all our hard work come together. And there you have it! We've successfully converted our Word document to a PowerPoint presentation, added a theme, and applied transition effects, all together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.